Hello everybody, this is Frank Estrada, and in this video I'm going to talk to you all about 4 mistakes to avoid as a new affiliate marketer, so stay tuned. Okay guys, in this video we're going to be talking about 4 mistakes to avoid as a new affiliate marketer. But before we get into that, push on that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that y'all get notified whenever I make new videos for all of y'all, okay? So 4 mistakes that most people make as a new affiliate marketer, starting with number 1, okay? I know that a lot of us, we get excited about whatever products or services we start promoting, and basically what we do is we just barf our affiliate links all over the internet, okay? We put it in Facebook, we put it in our YouTube, we put it everywhere, just blah. Link here, link there, link everywhere, hoping that one of them's gonna stick. The problem with that is that so many other people are doing the exact same thing, and that's why they are not winning. You cannot just be spamming your links at all these different sites. One of the things that happens to me pretty frequently that actually irritates me, and it all seems like it's coming from the exact same script, okay? That is, I'm on my Facebook group, then somebody messages me, somebody does a friend request for me, and it's the same 3 or 4 sentences. Hi Frank, thanks for connecting. What do you do? I tell them what I do, and then it's like, oh, okay, well, what are the 2 or 3 things missing from your business? And then, bam, guess what? Those 2 or 3 things are exactly what it is that I do. And I'm like, oh, great. That is fantastic. It's always the same script. You're not going to be making affiliate commissions. You're not going to be making a full-time income by just spamming and barfing your links all over the internet. If you don't believe me, continue to do that and then see where you end up. That is not the way that you make a difference. It's not the way to help people. That is not the way that you are going to find yourself with a good revenue stream. Okay? Because, and here's my second tip, you actually have to care about people. A lot of people make the mistake is that they don't care about their customers. All they care about is, how do I make a commission? How do I make a commission? How do I make a commission? They don't take the time and actually listen to what it is that their clientele is actually seeking, to what it is that their clientele actually wants, what their clientele is actually trying to achieve. They bypass all that. Why? Because I got to make a commission. I want to make a commission. And that's why that's another reason why a lot of people just simply don't make it. It is not about you. It is about your customer. You have to care about where they are and where it is that they're trying to go to. And if your product is indeed that solution for them, show them as to why. But you have to do it in a very customer-centric fashion, not in a very me, myself, and I fashion, which is very, very apparent when you get these messages, me, I've done this, I've done that, putting up there, oh, I've made this much money, oh, I just made, these many commissions, I just made all that. Yeah, come and buy my book because it's so easy, I just made these thousands and those thousands, all this and that. When an even better approach is you actually have to care for your clients, see where they're at, and try to help them get to the level where they want to be, okay? Which brings me to the third point, okay? You need to think of your products or services not as products or services. You need to think of them as solutions, okay? Let me illustrate this. If I'm traveling out of town and I suddenly need to use the bathroom and I'm thirsty, well, I stop by the gas station, use the bathroom. Then I go and buy myself a bottle of water because I'm thirsty. Did I buy the bottle of water because I like having a bottle of water in my car? Because I wanted the bottle of water? No, I wanted a solution to my thirst, okay? The bottle of water was not a bottle of water. It was the answer to me being thirsty. If you have a product that's going to help somebody get from point A to point B, you need to show them how they can get from point A to point B. You need to show them how it's the solution for them. It's not necessarily the gadget, the doohickey that they need to buy to get to that selection. Okay, we all buy mostly on emotions. Okay, and then we sort out the cost later. But if it helps us to get to that other point that we're striving to get to, that is the solution for us. That is something that we want. That is something that we are going to try very hard to get a hold of. Now, look at the difference between you showing them that solution that helps them get to where they want to be, and just spamming, barfing all your links, hoping that somebody clicks on one of them and maybe you get a sale or maybe you don't. There's a big difference there. Tip number 4, okay? Some affiliate marketers, what they do is they'll go to ClickBank, they'll go to JVZoo or Warrior, whatever, and they'll start making ads and, all those different things on different products on those different sites. The thing is that a lot of times you sell just one product, okay? And hey, if you make a good living off of that, that's great. I mean, it really is. My issue with that, and what I think would be a better method to go upon affiliate marketing, is to find an ecosystem of products, okay? You're not just selling a certain, a certain doghouse plan, or you're not just selling, light fixtures. You're not just selling, but rather you're selling products that complement each other, okay? So let's say you find a company that you could sell their books, then you can sell their software, then you can sell their mastermind, then you can sell all those different products that are centered around the same goal, the same fashion. That's what it is that you want to get associated with. That way, each and every lead that you bring in here has the potential to not only give you a commission, but has the chance to give you multiple commissions, because there are multiple products, multiple things you can sell from that same company. Okay, so to recap, number 1, don't spam people. Okay, they pick up on that and they hate it. Whether you think they do or they don't, they do. Let me tell you. Okay, don't spam. 2, you got to care about your clients, guys. You got to show them that you care. You got to show them that their interest is what what you're looking to satisfy. Okay. 3, you need to think about your products as solutions, okay? Not as products or services, but rather as solutions. That is what they're missing to get to their promised land, okay? And 4, guys, if you're going to do some affiliate marketing, if you're going to go through the hard work of building up authority and getting these leads for these different companies and all that, get a company that has an array, a suite of products, not just one, and you'll thank yourself later, okay? Well, guys, that's it. That's all I have for now. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you learned something. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, okay? Don't forget to subscribe, and then I'll see y'all next time.